here at Xemelgo, we are essentially building a digital twin of your factory floor. Xemelgo is giving you visibility into your inventory, your manufacturing, your assets, your tools, your shipments. So it's like an end-to-end suite. The benefits that you really get out of deploying Xemelgo as a system is you are saving a lot of time, like a manual labor that goes into locating these jobs or figuring out, do I have enough to produce these parts? So maintaining your optimal stock levels of any inventory that you're tracking. From leadership and the management perspective, they don't have to ask every time a supervisor, okay, give me that view or tell me what's going on, what's behind, where are my bottlenecks. It's giving the management a 50,000-foot view of how my factory is doing, the overall health of my factory. And from the supervisor perspective, they are getting visibility into their departments on how efficient it is, if it is bottlenecked. And from an operator perspective, it's showing them what should I work on next. Everybody in the chain of command is getting the benefit because there is something for everyone. In today's days and age, everybody has a phone in their pocket, and like the young generation which is entering into the market, phone is everything for them, internet is everything for them. So if you can give them a work environment where, of course, you are doing the due diligence of producing an aerospace part, but utilizing the technology which is more advanced into the aerospace environment is attractive to this young generation, because then they can see like, yes, I have to do my job, but there is an app that I can rely on. There is a technology aspect of it that is there which will allow me to understand my job in a better way and utilize my skill set. You can do cool stuff and also deliver on something which is going to fly in the space someday.